So this is a prosthetic liner. There's all different kinds of liners, but the one we're going to go over today is called a pin locking liner. The reason for that is there's a big pin here on the end of the liner, and that's how the liner, which is attached to Kevin's residual limb, will lock onto the prosthesis and keep it engaged. So it's real important when you're putting on these liners is you always start this way, and then we want to turn them inside out. Easiest is to actually push down here. I usually like to pinch it, pull this inside out, and then I put my other hand inside, and we don't want to have a bubble or gap like this. We want to make sure that this is all the way pushed out on the bottom. And the reason for that is if it's like this, and this is his residual limb, it'll have a pocket of air trapped in the bottom. And sometimes on the bottom of the residual limb, they can get a big water blister. So we want to avoid that at all costs. So again, we always want to make sure this is pushed up. And then what I do is I kind of squeeze underneath here, kind of where that pin is, to hold this so we don't get this happening. Again, the most important part of this is getting it on the right way. So usually there's writing on the inside of this, of the liner, and we want that to be down the front part of Kevin's residual limb. So again, we hold it like so, and we want to make sure that this umbrella, we call it, this circle metal part inside of the side of the liner, is directly in the bottom of his limb. We don't want it angled way over here in the back. We want it directly on the bottom. And then we always roll the liner on. We never pull it up like a sock. So we always roll it on, keep rolling, and we push this up onto his limb. So as you can see, I rolled this on a little bit cockeyed to the side. So what I would do is then roll this back down, inside out, again, pinch the sides, and rotate this a little bit to get it to fit properly on Kevin's limb. Then again, you want to make sure this is all the way up. We don't have any folds. We never want to pull it like this. That's just going to pull his skin and make it super uncomfortable. The main thing is too, with a pin locking liner, we want to make sure that this pin is straight on the bottom. So when he has his prosthesis, that this engages correctly. If this pin is way over like this, or way over like this in any certain direction, we want to then roll it back off and put it on directly. So it's real important of how you put on a liner.